Good morning, welcome to CTHM Hotel. How may I help you?
Well, fine. I'm here on business anyway, so at least I'm staying on the company's deck.
Can you please spell that for me, sir?
Robbie Gapas.
Yes, Mr. Gapas, we have reserved a double room for you with a view of ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information on file. If you just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Yes, very much so.
Yes, sir. We have a 5-star hotel after all.
Well, fine. I'm here on business anyway, so at least I'm staying on the company's deck. What's included in the cost anyway?
A full continental buffet every morning, free airport shuttle service, and use a hotel safe or included.
That sounds great, but will it get me to the airport on time?
And you will find a minibar in your room. Use of it will be charged to your account also. And hotel provides for room service at an additional charge of course.
Fantastic. I'll just wait.
Room 487, here is your key. To get to your room, take the elevator on the right up to the 4th floor. Turn left once you exit the elevator and your room will be on the left hand side.
That sounds great.
Should you have any question or request, please dial 0 from your room. Also, there is an internet available in the lobby 24 hours a day.
Fantastic. I'll just wait in the lounge area.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful stay at the CTHM Hotel.